Ayala Avenue. Yes guys, Makati. Ayala Avenue. Yeah, actually may pupuntahan na kami dito guys sa Pacific Star Building to settle some important matters. Yeah, matagal-tagal na rin akong hindi nakakatan dito sa heart ng Makati or pinakasentro ng Makati, since mostly doon lang ako na sa may EDSA and bandang C5. Ito dito ng mga skyscraper ng Makati. Guys, considered as one of the best places in the Philippines, pero sabi ni kuya driver, may mas maganda na daw ngayon. That was BGC in Taguig. Yeah, yun yung pinakalitis daw. Marami daw maganda ngayon sa BGC dahil para daw ikaw na sa ibang bansa. That was as per our Grab driver guys. Yeah guys, nagpag-grab kami kasi since medyo hindi na ako updated dito ngayon sa Makati kung ano mga pasikot-sikot or ano yung mga one way. Yeah guys, so ito na kami ngayon guys sa Pacific Star Building. Napapansin ko lang dito guys, halos andito lahat ng mga bangko naka I think nagre-rent dito sa Pacific Building. So kailangan namin kumuha ng pass or visitors pass since meron naman kaming official na transaction dito guys. Yeah, this Pacific Star Building is a 29-story high-rise structure. Napakaraming elevators guys. Entrance parang lobby ng hotel with dining options and lifestyle conveniences, and bunks which creates a well-rounded work environment. Yes guys.
Anong building to sir? Pacific Star. Pacific Star.
Ayan guys, since na-capture niyang aming puso, yan, picture or video muna guys. At marami rin ditong mga bangko guys, naka in-house, which creates a well-rounded work and environment. Yes guys.
Quezon City yun da. Hindi ko alam ang daw, tumingin ka. Ganda dito guys sa Makati RCBC Building.
Dapat ito lang ginagamit ni Leslie sa ospital. Bakit hindi kasi Fortuner lang yan ginagamit?
Diesel po kasi ito, mahal daw ang gas.
Wow.
Yes guys, since tapos na ang transaction namin, kaya we're going home, and thank you so much people for watching, and see you in my next episode.